if you go to my other videos, you'll see what my hair looks like this, but I wanted to recommend some squishies. Shout out to Olive. I found this in my backpack, and I'm gonna give it back to you, but I just wanted to show it. This is like a heart squishy. I have no idea where she got it, but it's so nice. It's not a Nido, and I don't know if it's a Nido actually. And Olive, she made this turtle squishy, and the legs fell off. And these, they're so satisfying. There's 4 of them, so like you can play them all together or separately, and they're really satisfying. So go make your own squishies and rip off their legs because it makes a really good squishy. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Bye, guys.